How's it going, Intertubes? Alright, so today we're gonna load this 280Z. The saga continues for it. It's gonna load up into the tow truck, go down to JB, Johor Bahru, down south. It's about 350 km away from here. And we're going to work on the body. Body work repair is gonna go on the way. And this car's been lying here for, I think, 3 months or less. Let me try to think. No lah, 2 months only. 2 months. So we've got to pop the hood. Yes, we got it. Keys in there. Let's hope it will start without a hitch as it did the last time. Hold on. My broken wrist is still, my repaired wrist, sorry, not broken wrist anymore. My repaired wrist is still weak. So sorry, I had to put the phone down. Let's connect this battery. Oh shit, no spark. Meaning, not much power. Let's hope it cranks and starts. If not, I've got to drive my other car up here and jump start the guy. Okay, let's have a look. Wish me luck. Oh my goodness, it's going. Free gear. Oh, it's got power. Yes! Yes! This car is so reliable. Awesome car! Awesome car! Look at it! The exhaust is broken, so it sounds like a motorboat. This is why I love this car. This car is a keeper. This car is the car that I originally want to keep, and this is the car that I want to restore to the bare minimum initially and just drive it around as it is. And I hope this, I hope I can stick to my plan. And woo! What a beauty! What a beauty! I am beyond excited. I will even turn the lights on. Oh my goodness, the lights are on. I'm not shitting you. The lights are on. The lights are on. Oh no, that one doesn't work. Come on, baby. Light them up. Come on. No. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. This fender's dented. That's why this doesn't look right. Okay, no worries. Let's drive it down, get it to the tow truck. Okay, good enough. Let's do this. I'm excited. I really am excited. Let me wind the window down because it's not gonna be able to see much. Ghetto! This is so ghetto. But hey, we gotta do what we gotta do. Yep. Okay, let me put the video on pause and then continue when I can. Lap the place. Okay, so we the 280Z died. There's a spark issue. Now the air track's gonna save the day by towing us all the way down to the ground floor, 5 floors down. Let's go. Air track is towing the 280Z. 280Z couldn't drive out in its own power, unfortunately. So yeah, the saga continues. Okay, we've dragged the car all the way from wherever we were to this location, which is where we are loading it to the tow truck. But the irony of the thing is, this bitch is running now. It's running on its own power. It can drive, no problem. Just now I just did a huge wheel spin, and it was no problem. It took it. It was fine. My goodness, this bitch, it just wanted to give us a hard time to get here. It's running. It's idling fine. We have to thank my wife. She's a hero. And now I've got to load the dashboard for this car into here. Alright, peace out for now. What was supposed to be a 20 to 30 minute job turned out to be an hour and a half, and it's turning out to be a 2-hour job, from retrieving the car to trying to get it to run. It ran in the first crank, but once I started moving it, it died, as you all saw on well, you didn't see in the video, but it died, and then it took us a long time to get it started again. It started and died, started and died a few times. It will not let me drive it out of the parking lot. So as you could see, we towed it with the air track and my wife. Lifesaver as always. So now the car is loaded and it's going to Johor tomorrow morning. This time tomorrow we'll have the 240Z from Johor after bodywork repair down here at the spray shop. This is the spray shop we're at. It's obviously closed right now. In there is where the painting happens. So this place is where we're going to be visiting quite often to give you an update on the 240 Series 2 240Z's paintwork repair. And the Series 1 240Z is actually going to be fully painted by the end of next week, and we're going to get that body back and start mechanical assembly in 2 weeks time. So by the time you see that video, it'll be 2 weeks already, and you'll see this one first. So it's going to Johor now. Bye bye. Alright, we'll continue this video later on. Here we are into tubes. It's the following day. It is less than 24 hours since I dropped off my 280Z here to be sent to Johor via that lorry right there, that pickup truck right there, that tow truck right there. It has gone and has come back, returned with my 240Z Series 2. It doesn't look like much, looks like ass right now, but I can assure you, body is perfect. No rust on the body except for the surface rust that you see all around. Engine runs. We can actually literally drive this car. We can start it and drive it. The engine bay is a dead giveaway of the whole body's color. We're painting this car in one color, and the engine bay is a giveaway of that color. Yep, don't worry, the engine will be cleaned up, it will be spruced up, tidied up, but work has gone into it just so that it can be driven, moved around. Here we have a completely running, functioning, non-overheating Datsun 240Z Series 2. Ha! This hood is hilarious. I'm gonna make it back to original. Those little tiny baby rims are also hilarious. Yeah, I've got to get new rims for this car. New wheels, new kicks. I've not seen this car in person for over a month and a half, 2 months maybe. The last video was shot while the car was still in Johor, and at the workshop trying to get all the wiring and electrical working. So now it's working. It runs and drives on its own power. All of its balance parts are here. Oh, looks like a super mess at the moment, but hey, this car is straight. It's in bare metal now, and we're gonna get it sprayed right here. Cool beans, cool beans. Awesome blossom, awesome blossom. I'm excited. I'm so excited. I am so excited. I just want to get in this thing and start her up. Let's see if I can. Yeah. Look at that. Damn, look at this shifter. Oh, the shifter linkage is solid, man. This is definitely an aftermarket shifter linkage. Sorry, I wasn't pointing the camera where I needed to. Okay. We've got Proton Iswara keys. Let's see what happens here. Oh, there's no battery. How silly of me. Silly me, no battery. Alright. Forget that shit. No battery. Okay. So I can't start it up. Let's talk to my spray painter now. To be continued. I decided to go on to the other side just to show you the carburetor setup. Triple Webers. I don't know what they inject. The needles are injecting. How big the size of the needles are. But just wanted to show you this side of the engine. The carburetors have been tuned for high RPM as well as for normal, just idle and drive around. And so with this, I conclude this video, and I'll include the video of this car 45 days earlier when I went down to Johor to check on the progress of this car. Assembly of all the wiring was being made by the foreman. A lot of the interior parts were all just scattered all over the place. The car looked much rougher than it did than it does now, obviously, because it's 45 days prior to what we see it now. And the engine didn't start. The wire harness was not in properly. The dashboard was loosely fitted, and the ignition system, the fueling system have all not been hooked up. So engine has just been dropped into the engine bay, and this is the foreman, an old timer. As you can see, this all my cars are currently, especially all the 240Zs, being worked on by old timers. They've actually retired, and they're only doing jobs by project basis. So we need these types of old timers to come out and help us with this kind of a classic car restoration here in Malaysia, because the younger guys are not familiar and will not know how to assemble a car of this vintage. In this shot, I'm videoing the underbelly of the car, which is all brand new, very neat and tidy, very nice, very clean, and I can't say the same for the engine. I know it looks terrible, but it is a freshly built engine, uncracked open from America. It runs a L26 block with a L28 crank and a L24 head. So I bought this car with this engine under the information that this is a race build engine and engine has 0 miles on it. It was started prior to me buying it, but it has been left sitting for over 2 or 3 years, so prior to me buying it. And then after I've bought it, this whole assembly, this whole car has been sitting for 5 years stuck in port. And this is 8 months after I've gotten the cars, or 6 months or so, I can't remember. We've progressed this far. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. This is all the update that we have right now, and yeah, wait to the next ones.
Lu tangan jangan sana.
Oke.
Oke.
Sudah.